Namaste friends. Now we know Sachin Tendulkar, god of cricket, is a very cool person. But he shared one story few times back and he said when he was on batting and he was doing very well during that time, his partner VVS Lakshman was there. And then he gave a call to take a run. Unfortunately, that did not go through and then Sachin was out. Actually, it was Sachin's mistake, but Sachin burst out on during that time on VVS. He was little angry or could be furious. He lost it that time. He accepted. When he came back, nobody said anything. Came back to pavilion. Everything was through. But when he went back to the home, Sachin's brother called him. He said, "What you have done is absolutely wrong." He said, "What has happened?" He said, "It was your mistake. On the top of that, you scold a person or could be shouted scream on a person who was new person, and then he might lose his confidence also. So one has to understand how to take care of the people." That's what he educated to Sachin. And then Sachin realized that what is the importance of the senior people or could be experienced people around us. Sometimes after reaching to the peak or could be good position, we do not consider, we do not think, or we do not look at our mistake. And if that continues, we may lose in longer run, or we will not reach to that top which we could have done. But if we have such kind of people around us, then they will keep us grounded, they will show us mistake and they will ask us to take a corrective action. And that's what which has happened with Sachin. And therefore you might have seen that the gentleman kept very quiet, very calm, very cool, and very rarely he lost the control. I hope you got a point the importance of the senior experienced people around us. Those might not be in that field, but they will help us, they will point our mistakes, they will guide us for a corrective action so that we can avoid such kind of mistakes and we can be on top position or could be on our game. Thanks for listening and watching. Let's meet tomorrow with new learning and new sharing. Till that time, thanks and bye for now.